Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. In this example, only two arithmetic operations have present: multiplication and addition. In previous video, only two arithmetic operations included addition and subtraction. On this video, we simplify the question and give the right answer. If you are new, please watch before this video and then watch this video. Here the answer is not 2, so how we will get the answer 2? When we apply the same concept of previous video. So here 3 multiply 3 is 6 and divide 3, so is 2. This is the wrong answer. Just left to right rule apply on addition and subtraction when present in same question. Okay, so here we will simplify. Here we simplify the first division. 3 multiply 3 divide 3 is 1 and 3 multiply 1 is 3. So this is the right answer of this given question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video first reach to you.